is never rude in his behavior. He never offends others and is always graceful in mood. He who lacks manners can never be loved, but who alone possesses them can achieve his goals. He is only a human being who is kind at heart. Manners are not something superficial, but an expression of kindness of the heart.
Aww. Thank you so much, baby girl. You did a wonderful job. Let's make it one more time for her, please. Applaud her. We're going to give her a prize for that wonderful performance. Come here, sweetie. Come up here. We're going to give you a prize for that wonderful performance. Oh, thank you so much, baby girl. Manners maketh the man.